Hello everyone, I am Kashyap Pancholi and my topic is should the government be allowed to censor the internet content deemed inappropriate? Now I am going to explain my views on this topic. Uh, the growth of information and communication technology has significantly impacted on every facet of the world. On most often noted is the internet. The advancement of information and communication technology ICT coupled with the rapid uptake of increasingly affordable key Key technology such as internet has also helped foster an environment that prompts globalization of knowledge and information. The internet has revolutionized communication, making information access across boundaries deemed seemingly impossible in the past a thing of journal practice. People around the world are able to communicate with the unpredictable ease. In the past, government has enjoyed great success in censoring traditional communication media and has affected information flow to the masses. The internet, on the other hand, with its multi-directional information flow communication nature, where anyone can air their opinions on any desired issue at will, has posed great challenges to governments. For countries with repressive regimes, the internet has become a revolutionary force as it allows the free flow of information and which has been perceived as a threat by authorities in some countries. Government in some countries have responded imposing strict censorship on internet usage by public through monitoring, filtering and access to some site in internet in a bid to control access to information. Internet censorship can be defined as the control or suppression of publishing or accessing information on the internet. Internet censorship has been a greatly debated topic around the world, with the people having different opinions. The biggest argument presented so far by the government in support of internet censorship have been issues relating to preventing access to illegal contents and child pornography, racism, terrorism, religions, etc. With the attempts so far made by several nations to impose some form of censorship meeting with similar resistance, government should realize that the key challenges faced are threefold: the people, the law, and the coping with technology. One could, however, wonder why the topic on censoring the internet would generate so much argument when the public indeed presently habits by certain degree of censorship from schools, preventing access to certain contents and websites. Warnings are displayed on university networks on impact of downloading and file sharing. Companies preventing employees from accessing the chat systems, networking websites, and other sites at work using firewalls to ISPs, blocking potential dangerous content either because of virus or keep their network become safe and uncompromised. Why then is the public so opposed to the government censoring the internet? It could be safe to state that the public is not just ready to ready for the extreme spectrum of internet to control, which would result in a globally regulated internet by the government. For the fear that the public could lose its freedom of speech and the fear unknown. Now I would like to explain the conclusion and recommendation. Though internet censorship could be considered a necessity in case where there is a need to set a standard for publishing and kind of information to publish on highly sensitive topics by a by and large the foreseeable disadvantages for surpasses the benefits that may be accrued. I do not see the government succeeding in the fight to regulate the content on the internet. To conclude, though the proposed laws by the government to regulate the internet is of good intention, it is unwise for the government to censor the internet because any law infringing the public's rights to free speech or breaching individuals' right to privacy and freedom on such vast communication medium as the internet will be difficult to enforce. Thank you.